Number 1.
1979 Chevrolet C10, price $5,800, with only 62,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a distinctive green exterior, it features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it boasts a strong-running 305 V8 engine paired with a dependable transmission, offering smooth and confident performance. The truck is equipped with factory air conditioning, and it remains fully functional, adding comfort to every drive. It also includes a tow/trailer hitch and a trailer brake controller, making it ready for hauling needs. A working radio adds a touch of entertainment for the road, and the truck still carries its original spare tire. While there are some rust spots, the vehicle has no known mechanical issues. It comes with out-of-state plates and a clean title in hand, ready for its next owner.
Number 2.
1977 Dodge D150, price $10,000. This is a beautifully preserved and highly original truck with 118,000 miles and a clean Florida title. Finished in striking red with a pristine white interior, it features a strong-running 318 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Recent mechanical updates include a new master cylinder, front disc brakes with new rotors and pads, rear wheel cylinders, rebuilt carburetor, and new transmission cooler lines. It's been lowered 3 inches for a subtle custom stance, and the factory air conditioning blows ice-cold. Tested and proven reliable on a recent 500-mile round trip. All gauges work perfectly, the truck runs cool with excellent oil pressure, and the interior is in mint condition. A true turnkey classic that drives just as good as it looks.
Number 3.
1980 Ford F150, price $6,100, with 846,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a sleek silver exterior, and a clean black interior. Powered by a strong and reliable 5.0L V8 custom engine, it runs on gasoline and delivers solid performance both on and off the road. The truck has been upgraded with a high-quality custom sound system, which includes an amplifier, capacitor, two 12-inch subwoofers, tweeters, and speakers, offering a powerful audio experience. For added functionality, it comes equipped with a rear towing hitch and a front winch that can be controlled using either a corded switch or a wireless remote. Additional features include a loud train horn and a distinctive horn, LED fog lights on both the front and rear for improved visibility, a durable plastic bed liner, and a secure toolbox mounted in the truck bed. Front and rear hooks further enhance its practicality, making it ideal for work, towing, or recreational use.
Number 4.
1973 Ford F100, price $6,500. This is a classic pickup that runs and drives great. It has been driven for approximately 97,200 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck is powered by a 302 engine fitted with 351 heads, paired with a Holley Sniper fuel injection system for improved performance and reliability. Finished in white with a black interior, this two-wheel drive F100 holds a clean title and has seen extensive maintenance and upgrades within the last 8,000 miles. These include a new heater motor, a new blower motor fan, a new alternator, a new cap and rotor, new front springs, a rebuilt rear end, and refreshed brakes and tires. Altogether, this truck offers both classic style and dependable drivability, making it a great choice for vintage truck enthusiasts.
Number 5.
1995 Chevrolet S10, price $4,250. Known for its rugged design and compact size, this truck is an excellent choice for both work-related tasks and weekend getaways. Under the hood, it boasts a powerful V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a spirited driving experience with precise control. Despite its compact build, the S10 delivers easy maneuverability without compromising on utility. It comes equipped with a durable bed liner that helps protect the cargo area during heavy-duty use. Inside the cabin, drivers will appreciate the comfort of air conditioning, making even long drives enjoyable. Additionally, an AM/FM radio adds a touch of entertainment, perfect for tuning into your favorite stations on the road.
Number 6.
1990 Ford Ranger, price $3,500. It has been driven 142,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Under the hood, it features a strong-running 2.9L V6 engine paired with rear-wheel drive. The exterior is finished in a classic blue, complemented by a clean gray interior.
The transmission shifts smoothly, and the engine performs well.
Recent maintenance includes a new fuel pump, water pump, radiator, fan clutch, belts, U-joints, thermostat, coolant temperature sensor, power steering pump, front brake pads, rotors, bearings, and seals. It also received new spark plugs, an ignition coil, and valve cover gaskets. While the truck is in solid mechanical shape, it does have a few cosmetic and functional imperfections. The AC is currently not working, there is some surface rust in a few areas, a crack in the windshield, and a few small dents on the passenger side.
Number 7.
1986 Ford F250, price $7,500. The truck was inherited and has been driven occasionally for short distances. It has 126,000 miles on the odometer, is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, and runs on diesel fuel. The exterior and interior are both brown, and the truck is in good condition overall, having been well cared for by the previous owner, an older man. It features good brakes, lights, and there is no rust present.
The vehicle starts and drives every time, though the blinkers do not work.
It also has a new front windshield. Despite slight wear and tear, the truck has a clean title, and the owner keeps the title in hand.
Number 8.
1995 Ford F350, price $8,000, with 132,000 miles on the odometer.
It features a smooth automatic transmission and runs on gasoline.
The exterior is finished in bold black, complemented by a gray interior, giving it a classic and rugged appeal. The truck has been lifted and comes equipped with Flowmaster exhausts, adding a deep, aggressive sound that turns heads wherever it goes. It's also registered with classic plates, making it an appealing option for enthusiasts. While the truck runs well and gets attention on the road, it does have a few minor needs, such as a driver's side window motor that is starting to go out.
There is some surface rust underneath, but nothing major. Overall, it's a solid and eye-catching vehicle that's worth more than the asking price. Number 9. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,995. This is a remarkably well-maintained pickup with 190,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a classic green exterior with a gray interior, it features a fuel-injected 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. As a two-wheel drive model, it offers a smooth and reliable driving experience. The body is straight and impressively clean, with zero dents and an overall condition that stands out for a truck of its age. It comfortably seats up to 6 passengers and includes power windows for added convenience. With its long bed, this Sierra is both practical and spacious, ideal for work or everyday use. A super nice truck that reflects careful ownership and pride in maintenance. Number 10.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000, with a clean title and has approximately 180,000 miles on it. The engine was replaced last year, giving it a fresh start mechanically, and the 4-wheel drive system works perfectly, great for tough terrain or bad weather conditions. It does burn some oil, the air conditioning is currently not functioning, and the windshield has a crack. The passenger side window also needs some attention. Although it has a new motor, the wiring seems to be the issue, as it only works intermittently. On the positive side, the truck features newer tires and wheels, providing solid performance and a fresh look. The interior is in immaculate condition, with all-weather floor mats in both the front and back. It also has a Bluetooth radio installed, making it easy to connect your phone for music or calls.